Hey guys, we're just going to be doing today a quick flight from Jefferson City over to Columbia. It's a flight I've done a million times before. It's just I thought this would be a nice starter for my channel. This channel, I'll explain more when we're in the air, but this channel is just basically going to be about aviation. I'm going to do reviews over stuff, well, not in-person reviews, but like I'm going to talk over videos, might do even a couple aviation memes. Of course, I'll be doing some flying here and there. So you've caught me in my Cessna 172 right after our pre-flight checklist, and yeah, we're going to be on runway 30 going over to Columbia. Alright, so I'm going to start the before start checklist. We've got, okay, circuit breakers are in, avionics is off, fuel selectors both, and then fuel shutoff valve is in. Alright, before start checklist complete. Engine start, 1/4 of an inch, mixture is idle. Okay, propeller area is clear, clear left, clear right. Master switch on. Beacon on. Oh, that's our avionics switch, my bad. There we go. Master switch is on, clear right, clear left, clear prop. And there we go. We got a nice, alright. Oh, a bit too much throttle. Bring our throttle back. Alright, so we're going to be doing our pre-takeoff checklist. Alright, so got our before takeoff checklist. Fuel selector both. Elevator trim is set. Mixture is all in. Throttle 1800 RPM, we'll get to that. Flap set, transponder set, landing light on. Alright, we know our V speeds. Alright, compass is reading 30, we've got 302. Let's bring them back to 300, there we go. Wait, compass has got 30. And it looks like we're getting 30, yep. Let's get our thing on 300. Okay, normal takeoff, throttle full, mixture best, yep, alright. So here we go. I'm gonna go cheaty and use this view, because it's easier. Don't judge me. I believe our trim is now set. Timer set, and here we go. .60 knots, VER, rotate. Let's get a good 10 degrees of climb going here up to about 2,000. 8 minutes, we should see the runway off to our right. Columbia, that is. Trying to maintain around 80, 75. We gotta bring our throttle back if we want a slower climb. We don't want to climb too fast because then our wings will shear off, and you know that's not a very good thing. You got some wind today. If you look behind us, you can see the runway that we just came from. Sorry I'm being so quiet, just trying to focus on our climb speed and everything. The plane is probably the most important part. come over here, I can load up my map, and you can see where my mouse was. And I don't know if you can see my mouse. This is my first time using Shadow Play to record. So if you can, I'm gonna move it off over there. Because people, I know from experience that people hate mouse cursors, I should say. Mouse cursors in the way. Look at that. We have a perfect 10-degree nose up and a perfect 80 knots. This is probably the smoothest flight I've been on. I'm not. All sign 727 Sierra Pampa, so I would say Cessna 72 or Cahokia. I believe this is untowered. Oh no, it is towered. So I'd say Cahokia Tower, Cessna 727 Sierra Pampa is, I'd probably say around 3-4 nautical miles to the south of runway 3. Give us a bit more power and some flaps. Too many flaps. I'm just pulling up so I can get to my flaps over here. Got flaps 20 coming in. A bit more power to keep our nose up. Bring our mixture back slightly. Some crude adjustments because I feel like it. Got 9 minutes on the clock. We'll probably be touching down around 11 or 12 minutes. So yeah, this channel, we're just gonna cover aviation stuff. Stuff like, if you really want a good idea of what I'm gonna be doing, look up Swiss001 on YouTube. I really like his style and how he presents aviation in a comical way. It really brings a smile to my face because of all these inside jokes that nobody else gets. Such as the landing we're probably going to get is probably going to be the equivalent to a Ryanair landing. And when I can Ryanair land better than a Ryanair, then you know something's up. Alright, we're going to reduce our pop power just a bit. We're aiming for 80-75 knots for a good descent. Field elevation is around 1,000. Around 1,600, I believe. We're going to come in here with full flaps here, right about as we get over this electrical pole in front of us. And I'll pin your comment to anybody in the comments who can tell me why flaps slow the plane down. I'll give you a hint. Surface area. Alright, reducing power, flaps 3, mixture back. We're approaching runway 2 here. Here we go, power's coming back. Power's going forward because I did it a bit too much. Mixture full a bit. Alright, here we go. Reducing power. Float. Whoa. Oof. Not my best, but it is a towered airport. Okay. Alright, we're gonna taxi off of the runway here. Alright. Here we go, taxi back. We're gonna take A2 probably. Use our brakes just a bit. Flaps coming up. Throttle's going up. Mixture is getting back. Taking Alpha 2 for here to the gate. yoke refuses to turn anymore, so we're gonna do that. Don't know what that was, but hopefully nobody saw it. We're gonna have to use it. Now we're gonna use alpha 2. We're about to Tokyo drift off here another time. Look at that, pretty great. Ram our nose into the taxi sign. Rip. Rap taxi way. Bad. And we are a general aviation aircraft, so we don't get a fancy man directing us when to stop, so we're just gonna eyeball it. Right about there. A bit more. There we go. Alright, so, well, we were a bit off, weren't we? Thank you, everybody, for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.